Welcome back Tech Fam. Your TechSys is in the house and today we'll be learning about new concept called escape sequence. So what are these escape sequence? Escape sequences are special codes with a backlash. Alright, this is called a backlash, okay? And you guys will be using this a lot. So why are these escape sequence used? Escape sequences are used to go to a new line, add like something like called tab space, show special characters like these, apostrophes or any sort of special characters, or erase something. There are also multiple other escape sequences, but these are the basic escape sequences that you guys will be using. For example, let's take up here. There are two print statements written. Can we see? There are two print statements written, but everything is printed in the same line. Can you guys see? Everything is printed in the same line. Now, let's use these escape sequences to organize those lines. The first one that we'll be learning is \n or new line escape sequence. So what is this new line escape sequence? New line escape sequence helps us move to the next line. See here you have written two printf statements and now if you remember correctly this second statement was in the same line. So what happened now is when you used a \n over here, the printf statement moved to the next line. Alright, this is basically new line escape sequence. What it does, moves to the next line. Next is the tab space escape sequence. Now you can see that I've inserted a \tab over here. So what this does is create a tab space between your words or between anything. For example, you can use this in while creating a table so that every column is spaced equally or something like that. It creates a tab space. Next escape sequence is basically a special character escape sequence. Alright. Next escape sequence is basically a special character escape sequence. You can see that I have used two backslashes here and a double quote with the backslash. When you want to print a special character like a backslash or double quotes or a single quote, like this, you have to use a backslash. See, now you have used two backslashes here, so one of your backslash is getting printed. You have used a backslash followed by a double quote, so your double quote is printed here. This is called escape sequence for special characters. Alright, this is a escape sequence for a special characters. So these three are the basic escape sequences that you will be using in your journey of coding. And just know, very important right here is that these escape sequences are used between the double quotes. When you're writing a printf statement or any of the statements, these escape sequences will be used in between the double quotes. So this is all for today's lecture. I hope you had really fun learning this and see you next time.